Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working on orders, so I figured I would go ahead and turn on the camera. In addition to that, a couple of you guys have been asking me about the beads that have a whole lot of, like the really polka dot ones. So I have added some to the Etsy shop, and there are some yellow ones. So we have these right here. In addition to these yellow with the polka dots, these are 25 millimeter. There are also the orange 25 millimeter with all the polka dot. And then there's also, you asked me about the beads that look kind of camouflages, like camouflage, if I had them in 25 millimeter. So these are the 25 millimeter. So some of these, did I put these in the Etsy? If they're not in the Etsy shop, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the Etsy shop. So these are 25 millimeter. I'm going to try to have more of these and more of these in the shop today. So what I'm doing is I'm working on an order for Miss Sarah Cherry, and she ordered 11 items. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just kind of going through. She ordered some of the Dalmatian beads, so we're going to go ahead and check that off. She also ordered some of the red. I guess these would be like color wash beads. So we'll do that. She ordered green and yellow. These beads right here. So we got that. She ordered purple and green. That would be these. So we'll go ahead and check that off. She also ordered orange and purple. That's these. I think I said that. So orange and purple. She also ordered number 7 and number 1. That would be these beads right here. So these have like a goldish kind of vintage look to them. And then we have these right here. So we have those for her. Let's mark that off. And then she ordered, looks like the blue ones right here. We'll mark that off. And then she ordered some of the black. So we have these for her. We'll mark those off. We got that. And then she ordered yellow and black. That would be these, the polka dots. And then she ordered yellow and orange. That would be these. So she ordered 11 items. Miss Sarah, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and package them up. And then once I get everything all packaged up, I am going to be shipping the orders out today. If you ordered items yesterday, whatever I got, what's today? Friday. Whatever I got on Wednesday, I shipped out already on Thursday. So I didn't do, like the little shipping video or anything. So what I will probably do going forward is do the little shipping videos, and you can see that your orders are being packaged up and they are getting, shipped out. And these orders will go out. These will go out today. So we have a nice amount for her, Miss Sarah. Oh, she did real good. So we have a nice little package for her, and I'm trying not to show anything on here. So we'll include this in here for her. Go ahead, and then off camera, I'm just going to go ahead and finish everything up and then put the thank you card, and we'll put our packing slip and all that good information. So this will be one order that's going out, and I have 3 to ship out. Another thing with the shipping, over $35 is free shipping. And just keep in mind, as I continue to add different designs of beads in the Etsy shop, there will be variations of prices and different things like such. So we have this one for Miss Sarah. We're going to go ahead and get this finished packaged up with all our other goodies. And then that'll be one order. And then we're going to go ahead and work on our next order.